the complainants were justified in registering the complaint or seeking approval at the hands of the governor. The approval under Section 17A of the PC Act is mandatory in the fact situation. Section 17A nowhere requires a police officer to seek approval in a private complaint registered under Section 200 or 223 of the BNSS against a public servant for offences punishable under the provisions of the Act. It is the duty of the complainant to seek such approval. The governor, in the normal circumstance, has to act on the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers, as obtaining under Article 163 of the Constitution of India, but can take an independent decision in exceptional circumstances, and in the present case, projects one such exception. No fault can be found with the governor exercising independent discretion to pass the impugned order. It would suffice if the reasons are recorded in the file of the decision-making authority, particularly of the high office, and though those reasons succinctly form part of the impugned order. A caveat: reasons must be in the file. Reasons for the first time cannot be brought before the Constitutional Court by way of objections. The gubernatorial order nowhere suffers from want of application of mind. It is not a case of not even a semblance of application of mind by the governor, but abundance of application of mind. Grant of an opportunity of hearing prior to the approval under Section 17A is not mandatory. If the authority chooses to do so, it is open to it. The decision of the governor of alleged hot haste has not vitiated the order. The order is read to be restrictive to an approval under Section 17A of the Act and not an order granting sanction under 218 of the BNSS. In the facts narrated in the petition would undoubtedly require investigation. In the teeth of the fact, the beneficiary of all these acts is not anybody outside, but the family of the petitioner. The petition stands dismissed.
But grateful to your lordship. It was indeed privilege assisting your lordship.
So to hear Singhvi sir and you, everybody sir, it was a privilege.
No, it was indeed a privilege, my lord, to assist your lordship.
Dr. Singhvi Malad wants to make a submission.
Yes, sir. You're not audible, sir.
Now, well, as the matter relates to dates of 1990s. And well, the complaint is filed now, and your lordship had a stay operating. Can your lordships consider a 2-week stay on this? Well, still everybody takes appellate
No,
recall.
sir. I can't stay my own order, but I can definitely assure before 2:30 it will be uploaded, and it is on the first floor. Please.
Since well, there was a stay operating in my favor,
All right,
and the
sir.
complaint is filed in
No, sir. I have said so. 1 minute. That also I will read. Petition dismissed. Interim
Very well.
order of any kind subsisting today shall stand dissolved.
Great.
Very well.
Obliged, your lordship.
Yes.